Hi, Breddies! We got Weston! What are we drawing today, Weston?
Popsicle.
A popsicle. What color are you gonna do yours? I bet you I know.
Well, yellow.
You're gonna do yellow?
Yeah.
Why?
It's my favorite.
It's his favorite color, Breddies. All right, so let's get started. Super fun one today. We're so glad you joined us, Breddies. Let's get started.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Oh,
Oh, let's get you a marker. Okay, Breddies. The first step is a huge upside down U for the top of our popsicle. Are you ready, Wes?
Yeah.
Let's go. Wes, I'd start a little higher on your page, almost below mid. No, that's good. Yeah, start right there. Ready? Here we go. Upside down U. Up, over, and down. Good job, dude.
Mommy made it.
What?
You want to do like that?
Well, you're learning. I know. We'll do what we taught the Breddies. If we don't like it, Breddies, you could pause it and grab another piece of paper, stick it over your last mistake, and then can I do this part for you? Can I do this part? So he kind of wants it wider here. So Breddies, we're gonna see where we made our mistake, and we're gonna go up over here, over and down like that. You like that one?
That'd be mine.
That's yours. Okay. Next, Breddies, we gotta connect the bottom. Ready, Wes? Watch this.
I'm easy at mine.
Woo! Connect the bottom. All right.
It's like the curve, like yours,
So
like a little
good.
curve.
All right. Popsicles, what do they have right here? A stick, right? So a long, skinny U. Down and up. You got it? All right. Good job, buddy. That's perfect. Okay, what's left? Eyes? Do we gotta do the eyes?
I see that little outline right there.
Okay, let's do some eyes. Ready? Do your eyeballs. I like mine low, Breddies. I'm gonna do mine low. One circle.
I did that to see a little detail right
yeah,
there.
a little shiny. We always practice those. And another circle. Let's see your eyes, buddy. Good job. All right, remember, make your second eye the same. Make it over here and make it the same shape and size. The best you can. Let's see it, dude. All right, so good. Now, what does Dad like to do? I like my little circle and my big circle. My little circle, my big circle. Perfect.
You want to just cut it out in.
Yeah. You gonna color it now?
I'm
Okay,
just gonna
okay.
do that.
He doesn't want to do the pupils. He's just gonna do all black eyes, which is totally cool. Breddies at home, if you want to do your style, I love it. Do your own style. All right, Breddies. For the mouth, we can do smiles. We can do surprises. We can do a tongue sticking out. Let's do a tongue sticking out. So,
I'll do this.
you ready, dude?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put mine right in the middle of the eyes that look silly. We're just gonna do a little smile. So easy. Check it out. You got that, bud? All right, and now the tongue. Another U shape. Whoop. Oh, that's looking really good. So good, dude. All right, so I like to do maybe some designs. Weston, I think you're gonna do all yellow. I'm gonna do some like squiggly lines like it's melting, or I can do a watermelon. We were practicing some designs. Let's just go with, let's do some squigglies. So it's like got the dripping effect. I'm gonna do it across the top. Ready? So for that, Breddies, I'm just gonna go like a drip, like a U shape, continuing. Maybe one a little longer, one a little shorter, and that's it. You wanna leave yours plain so you can do it all yellow?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can we do another one?
We will. All right, Breddies, that's it. We're gonna move on to the coloring. We'll be right back. We're gonna fast forward this part. See you at the end of the video, brothers. Two, three, show 'em!
Bye, Brady.
Woohoo! Check out our popsicles, brothers! They can't see you, you're too tall, you gotta sit down. Weston did his favorite color, yellow, and I mixed it up with some pink and some yellow and some teal. I think they look really good. Don't you?
That's one teal, that's blue.
That's blue? Oh, sorry, blue. Well, Breddies, thank you so much for joining us and drawing a popsicle with us. Let us know what else you want us to draw with you, and we will. We're so excited you watched our video. Stay tuned for more. Say bye, Weston.
Bye.
Bye, Breddies.
Bye, Breddies.
We'll see you next time.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. It is almost Christmas in what, 8 days? 8 days?
Yeah.
What are you gonna get for Christmas? Tell the Breddies.
A stego that has a controlling remote that's yellow.
A stegosaurus, for those who don't know what a stego is. His favorite dinosaur.
It's a stego that's yellow with a controlling remote
That's so cool.
that you can control with.
Oh, Santa's gonna bring it?
Yeah.
All right, bye, Breddies. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us, Breddies. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We love having you. We'll see you soon. Bye.